Welcome back, and now news from sports. It was a clash between the defending champions Salgaonkar Sports Club and this season's top I-League side till now, Dempo Sports Club. The match ended in a goalless draw, but there were a bag full of chances that went down begging for both sides. Arguably, Ranti Martins had the best chance, that too in the dying minutes of the game. Despite the draw, Dempo continued to remain at the top of the standings, while Salgaonkar have lost a great chance to move up to third.
Dempo Sports Club took on Salgaonkar Sports Club. Dempo were looking for 3 points to stretch their lead at the top of the I-League table, while Salgaonkar win could take them even higher. But a win was not a result that either of them would get. However, chances created by both sides were more than 20 and 13 of them were clear scoring opportunities. Both sides missed 3 chances each in the first half, but arguably the best chance of all fell to Ranti Martins' feet, as Coco's brilliant assist was met by a weak right foot that failed to test an off-balance Karanjit Singh in Salgaonkar's goal, that too late in the second half. Here are a few missed chances of the match.
Certainly from that shot anyway. Follow-up involvement there will be from our man defender, and is this the winner? Ranti Martins, what has he done? Luciano Zabrose tried to run the ball out, Coco capitalised, and Ranti, what is he doing? What is he doing?
Dempo's latest recruit Denzel Theobald was seen in action for the first time on television as the West Indian forward played as an attacking midfielder. But Dempo will be hoping Denzel coordinates better with the Nigerian duo of Coco and Ranti up front, as there was a clear lack of understanding with Denzel and the strikers. This result doesn't change things much for Dempo, as the Blues remain rooted at the top of the I-League table. However, Salgaonkar lost a golden opportunity to cut the gap with Dempo and move up to third in the table from fifth. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Dempo Sports Club is impressed with Yusuke Kato and have asked him to return to Goa following his scheduled one-week trial period that ended on Saturday. The Japanese Yusuke Kato was in Goa on trials for Dempo Sports Club. The Japanese striker says he has done his bit to impress the Dempo coaching staff and would love to play for Dempo. The 25-year-old striker spoke to Prudent about his experience on the training field with the I-League Giants.
La va a tomar Solana, busca meter el centro, irá hasta el fondo, va Solana, mete el centro para la Ribey, la saca de cabeza media Dragojevic, pelea la Ribey, Kato, ¡gol!
This is Kato in action in Argentina's second division, where the striker spent his youth career days at club Atletico Huracan and played as a striker. His style of play will be a treat to watch in the I-League. Shall Dempo put the pen to paper with Kato?
Your trials were in Goa, in India. You came on selection trials. How was your experience in Goa?
Yeah, I speak English very little, but I like India and Indian peoples, and Dempo is a big group and players very good players. Also, so I like it.
What do you like about the players, about Dempo? Their football, their passing, their moving, you like that?
Yeah. Not too like Barcelona, but I like style, then the Dempo. Yeah, I like it.
How you like the coach Armand Colasso?
And Colasso, I not speak too much, but I hope play very well with he.
Do you think that the club coach happy after seeing you and interest in
I don't know, but I think so. I'm happy because I signed Dempo.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Panji. Makkan Chor, Natkat Gopal, Radhesham, Arjuna's charioteer. All these roles of Lord Krishna, the Lord of Lords, are canvassed at an art exhibition at Kala Academy.
These portraits by Shalini Sanjay Srivastava have captured the eyes of both devotees of Lord Krishna and of artists. A series of paintings depict various facets of Lord Krishna, from his childhood to his elevation as a great exponent of the Bhagavad Gita and as a source of joy and devotion. It's Krishna's life on canvas. The exhibition is open for public viewing till 3rd February. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. If you have missed our news bulletin, you can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.